Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today we will be teaching you a new word of the week!
I like it!
The word of the week is neuron! Yay! Neurons are nerve cells in your brain! Neurons are the basic unit of your brain and nervous system and are very important for your learning. You have around 100 billion neurons in your brain. Neurons are responsible for receiving sensory input from the world around you and sending electrical commands to your body. When you learn something new, the neurons involved in the learning process grow and form new connections. You can also use neuron in a sentence like this. The most important cells in our brains are the neurons. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joey. Neuron! If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week.